So Cynthia's saying that someone had mentioned, as I give you this shot of another beautiful pass that we're going through, the opioid crisis. We're hearing not just about that challenge here in New Hampshire, but hearing from a lot of people about solutions that have been developed and implemented here in New Hampshire. So I mentioned we were in Manchester earlier. That community, I believe under Mayor Craig, has implemented a safe stations policy, meaning that if you have fear of overdosing on an opioid, you can go to any fire station, and without fear of being arrested or being involved in the criminal justice system, you can get the overdose medication, you can get first responder help, you can get treatment and care, and get back on your feet and hopefully be on a long-term path to freeing yourself from that addiction. I've also been listening to some of what Congresswoman Annie Custer's been working on in making sure that there's more mental health care treatment and substance abuse treatment in our jails and in our prisons, to make sure that we're not denying people the basic care that they need to, again, free themselves from that addiction and be okay when they've paid their price, settled their debt to society and need to get back on their feet again. And then I hear from a lot of people who want to make sure that we hold pharmaceutical companies, drug makers and marketers accountable for the opioid crisis that they helped to produce in the first place. If there's not justice and accountability, you will have more impunity and you will not ever end this cycle. And so those are some of the steps that we can take.